Come on, welcome to Georgia. Georgia.
No, ain't going.
Stay your ass at home, Georgia.
We ain't going to Georgia.
Hey man, how's your nail look? You're not looking good.
Yeah, if I
They,
had to
they
take
kind
the
of
time
crusty though. I mean, they got a little
Yeah.
breakage here and there, you know,
everywhere.
but it's all right. That's part of life, you know.
Not really.
You know, you got little breakage here and there.
This
all
one
right.
just broke this morning. And two.
It's
two
always
voices.
breaking in the middle because it bend like that. You know what I mean? But
Yeah.
they look good. Let me see on the bottom real quick. Just a little dirty. It's all right. Trust me, girl. I got clients with dirty hands too, but it's all right. Let me see that. Oh, they look fresh. That it. Dude, that one look fresh. Fresh. I like it.
It's just this hand.
No, because that's your working hand.
Right.
This is your sexy show off hand. So this is where, like, when you go want to meet somebody, you throw this hand out. And then when this hand comes along, and this hand's like where you gotta get down and get dirty. This the get down dirty hand. That's why it's all broken and everything. What you want on your nails today, boo?
I don't know. I'm looking.
Come on now, let me color glitter mask that I put on today. Let's go with this one. I am the only male nail tattoo rocks glitter mask. Say what? Man, it's hard to find ride or die chick.
He said, nigga, now you know how your
Like my
back
wife,
works.
she's a ride or die chick.
Right.
Yup. Me, I take a bullet for my wife all day. All day. Like if you throw 100 shot at her, I jump in 100 times.
Right. As you should.
Yup. If you throw stones at her, I jump in front of the stone. No, I won't even catch because I'm not a good catcher. I just take the hit.
Oh no, I'm shooting and asking
If you
questions
throw
later.
darts at her, I ain't jumping in front of the dart. That shit hurts.
It's crazy.
For you to throw a good dart and hit her, you must be a good aimer as well
For
too.
real. The time in life right now. The time in life.
You
right
gotta
now.
give yourself to God right now because if you don't, you by yourself. That's it. That's what I'm saying. You know what the Bible says. The Lord's my shepherd, and that's all I need. I shall not want anything
I
else.
gotta let you hear this song.
Girl, we are talking about gospel right now so that we can kill your nails.
No,
We're not just
listen.
killing your nails, we killing your spirit.
No, I'm gonna show. I'm
Feel
gonna
me?
let you hear this song. Look how my nails cracked out right here.
Because they've been and when you do that. I don't mess around. I got. Tell you something, whatever you go through in life, you gotta put God first too.
Exactly.
Because you know there's a rhyme and reason why God put you in that position to begin with.
Why he put us together.
Right,
I
that.
don't know, but maybe it was.
You know,
Maybe he prayed for some, or maybe I prayed for some. Because I remember I did pray for somebody that's just down to earth and normal. You know what I mean?
and he is.
And
Look, 1 + 1 = 1. And that's
The
exactly
fuck?
what it is.
1 + 1 = 2.
No, 1 + 1 = 1, meaning you and him equals 1.
Okay, but that one. Okay, I got you.
You see what I'm saying? Because
Okay.
y'all gonna be in one spirit.
Yeah, we had to
Unite.
unite.
That's what it is.
Okay, and I got that part right. I'm on that page.
Well, you
right?
are.
But my thing is this. It takes two to work at it, though.
It takes two to tango.
It takes two to work at it. I'm not tangling with shit. I'm saying.
But here's the thing. It takes two to tango, but I feel like the effort has to be equally.
It does.
Because when the effort's not equally, it's like you're driving a car and one side of the car has a flat tire and you keep riding with it.
Right.
It ain't gonna get you far.
It's not.
It ain't. You see what I'm saying?
It's not. But
When I first met you, Nick, I knew in my heart, something was telling me like, man, it's just she needs your appearance. You know, she needs your
I
wisdom.
didn't. What it was is that I didn't have.
Cause you were holding on to everything. That's what you had. That's what I feel in you. You had so much weight on your shoulders, Nikki, because you were taking care of everybody in your family.
I was.
You were an octopus that's using all your tentacles, and you can't do it at that moment. And that's how I feel. And that's why when I met you, girl, I want to take one weight off of you,
Right.
and that will be sharing thoughts. You know, therapy. It's not just a set of nails.
Because you know what? I'm going to tell you this. People listen to you, and sometimes what they do is they take what they to you and they use it against you. You get what I'm saying?
I do.
So when I figured that out, what I did is I shut down.
You
and
did.
I closed a lot
You
of
did.
doors.
You did.
And I said, I'm going to navigate on my own.
It was very hard for you to open up in the beginning
It
because
was.
you were shut. You were
I
scared
had
to
that-
open
no,
up.
It wasn't, I was scared. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm never scared of anything but the man above. It was just like,
You just don't want to deal with it.
I just didn't want to do it.
That's it. You just didn't, because you had a lot going on, girl. But you know what?
And I was always there for everybody.
2005 really shows that our friendship becomes so much closer. But not because we do nails. It's because we share so much insight with our life. And, you know, we kind of walk each other through 25.
Yeah.
And right now, I feel like your life, the weight is less because you have people you can share these thoughts with.
Not only that, is that I took control and I got in front. You know what I mean? I'm like, listen, I gave you the lead. You betrayed me.
Right.
So now I'm finna get back in the lead and you gonna follow suit.
All right. It took us a while, but I'm so glad that you were able to trust me. Now, let me ask you this. If I was going to refuse to do your nail, can you imagine how your nail would turn out right now?
I would have cut them off. Go away.
Look at this, y'all. Look how clean her nails look. Look at the outcome. We ain't playing. Look at this. Man, I never regret the moment I held your hand, because if I let go of your hand, someone will hold it and they will fuck it up. I'm just saying.
I'm trying to figure out where we're going to put the gold.
We're going to put the gold on the line.
Not that opal looking color? No.
Hold on. You got me twisted right now. Hold up, sis.
I ain't got shit. You got yourself twisted, sir.
Sir, go ahead. Put it in. We did it. This is so clean. Actually, you know, let's do this one
Why
because
we gotta do the big one?
they look fire.
No.
Because you got big ass nails.
Fuck that. No.
What about this one? Look at this one.
You ain't got no small
That is
area?
cute.
Yeah, that one.
Get your ass. Get it on.
Okay, let's go.
No. All right, y'all. Let me show you what we did to Auntie's nails, and let me show you how a $60 set of nails look like. Okay, this is $6, 3 hours of work. Show them, boo. Show them 3 hours of work right here, y'all. $60 on the house. Look how clean that looks. You like it, Aunt?
I do.
You like it? It's clean, huh? We always fight over the design at the end, but that looks fire. Her nail looks good. $60, y'all.